Okay, so Shelby's face down because we're about to do some N.O.T. So N.O.T is Neural Organisational Technique. I had a request from one of you to do an N.O.T balance, Neural Organisational Technique, which helps to reboot the nervous system in relation to the stress and anxiety of the COVID-19 outbreak. So basically, I'm going to ask in the clear whether or not things are out of balance, and then ask in relation to the COVID-19 fear specifically. So we'll see. But anyway, it's another one for everyone. So just sit back, enjoy, and feel the healing. Okay. Sorry, we were just having a bit of a giggle. One of the news reports that's just come through, because our borders have just been shut between Queensland and New South Wales last night, and someone put on fake number plates, like they were drawn on, and he came over with a gel blast of drugs and a stolen car, and he got pulled over. And he's got outstanding warrants. So, you know, you gotta love people. People are funny.
Of all the times to try something like that.
He should have made it at 11:55 last night. Oh dear. There's got to be a sense of humour at this time. Your neck's actually feeling not too bad at the moment.
Really?
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah. I know I tensed up a lot on Tuesday.
Yeah, okay. Was that money stress?
No, it was pain.
Oh, the pain.
Yeah.
Yeah, the injection. Okay, yeah,
I'm
yeah,
trying
yeah.
not to complain about it.
I would be complaining, but you did very well.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, hold up for me. And hold. So the energy's flowing nicely. Hold. In relation to any and all fear of the COVID-19 virus. And hold. Okay. I release any and all fear of the COVID-19 virus. Any and all fear of COVID-19. Hold. In relation to financial repercussions from COVID-19. Hold. Okay. In relation to financial repercussions of COVID-19. And hold. In relation to the loss of our freedoms. And hold. Okay. So what do we need to do? I accept the loss of our freedoms. I accept the loss of our freedoms due to COVID-19. The loss of our freedoms. And hold. Okay. In relation to any and all anger and resentment around COVID-19. Anger and resentment around COVID-19. I release any and all anger around COVID-19. I release any and all resentment around COVID-19. Any and all resentment around COVID-19. Yeah, in relation to happiness and well-being during COVID-19. Hold. Good. Excellent. In relation to being calm during COVID-19. Hold. Okay. The positives are working, which is great. Sometimes the body doesn't want the positives, it only wants the negatives, so that's really fantastic. Okay, let's check the tailbone. And hold. Okay. I release any and all stress around COVID-19. I release any and all anger around COVID-19. I release any and all anxiety around COVID-19. And hold. Okay. Releasing any and all financial worries because of COVID-19. Releasing any and all isolation worries because of COVID-19. Releasing any and all worries about the world because of COVID-19.